Hello students, welcome to our session. This class will discuss about how we will be executing 3B program, that is traffic signal using timer control. Those who have a system, laptop and all, you can try out these and you have installed Visual Basic means you can try out these exercise. This is a very simple program where we will be using basically two shapes. So this is going to be a label. So you will be taking the label option from here and placing it off, and in the caption you will try the traffic signal using timer control. Then this time for this exercise you will use this shape option, shape, and when you come down to properties you can select what kind of shape you looking for. See, I will take a shape and I will place the shape. So once, see, I'm clicking the shape and placing it off, I was able to get rectangle. The same thing I want to change it to oval means it will be changed to oval. Here, so you need to go for a property called shapes. Rounded rectangle I need means I can go for rounded rectangle. If I want circle, I can go for circle. So for this, to draw this traffic signal, first take rectangle, or first we will draw 3 ovals. So make it oval. After placing it, you can adjust the size. So first oval, like this, draw another 2 oval, click on shapes, paste, and make this to oval. And one more time, select shape option itself and place a shape and change that to oval. 3 shapes you got, so you need outer rectangle for this, and then click on this and place the outer rectangle. And as per our exercise is concerned, let me place this has to be filled with green color. So you go for fill color, and instead of this, select the green color, and fill style should be solid. Don't select transparent. Transparent means you won't be able to see. So you need to make this fill style solid, and you can select the color. Then for this, I will prefer red or amber color. So I will go for red. This also transparent option is there. So make it solid. And last is amber color. The traffic signal, the 3 colors will be there. No, make this solid. Then go for amber color. Done. Then place this should be in black. So for this also select solid. Yes, it's in black color. And if I place it here, it's getting hidden. So select it, right click, send to back. When you give, the oval shape will come in the front. So once again, I do place a rectangle, give black color, then you need to place it above the oval. It will get hidden. So you need to press right click and send to back option. So the oval will come in the front. So traffic signal is ready. For this thing, we will be using this option called timer control. Actually, this is the practice exercise for timer control also. These exercises, you can use it for your theory exam also when they asked about timer property. So timer is a property where timer is an object. See here, it is the timer. I have placed it 1 here. Based upon the counter timings, it will be able to work. So a very simple thing to use. After placing, just select interval will be 0. Instead of that, the time difference, when it has to start, for that interval alone, you change it to 1000 or 2000. For this exercise, I have taken to 3000. That's all. Don't change anything. See, as of now, we have not touched any names at all. just to place a timer. From here you select and place it here. Just click like this and place it like this. Okay, after placing, select on the timer, interval alone 0 will be there, make it 3000. After placing the timer, so go to the coding part. So here we move to the coding part, and we need to remember the names. So if you could know, see, this is called, as per my example is concerned, this is shape 1, this is shape 2, and this is shape 3. These, see here you can find the names, shape 1, shape 2, and shape 3. For these things only I have written coding. What you need to do, private form, this on click property won't be there for this exercise. So you need to say form load. When form is loading, this has to be there. I'm telling timer dot enable, that means it will be in disabled mode. No, make it to enable equals to true. When form is loading, shape 1 dot visible is true, and shape 2 and shape 3 should be invisible mode. Then next thing is private sub timer 1 underscore timer event. You need to write shape 1 dot visible. Then if shape 1 visible is there, then shape 2 dot visible is true. That means after 3,000 intervals, if shape 1 is visible, it should shift itself. Shape 2 should visible, and shape 1 and shape 3 become invisible. So false you have to make. Same way, if shape 2 is visible for 300 time interval, then shape 3 will become visible and other 2 will become invisible. A simple coding. And last is else part, and 1 is visible, 2 and 3 will be false. Just write this coding. Then once you run this program, what I will do, I will remove the form which I prepared recently. Place now, because it will be too traffic signal, right? Run the form. Once you run the form, you could see the option here. See, based upon the timer 1 is visible, then other 2 should be false, and if the 3 is visible, other 2 should be ring. So you want longer wait time, then change the interval to the longer duration. According to the duration, it will work. Okay. So this is a simple program to implement the working procedure of timer control. So this will be our 3B exercise. Do practice this exercise and try to get idea behind this exercise. Thank you.